Liz and Eric here with Roscoe's Restorations. Eric did some extremely scientific experiments yesterday while we were trying to see what we need to get the Mustang going, the 81 Mustang, and we found out that we definitely do not have sparks. So we called up O'Reilly's, asked if they had a bunch of the parts that we think we're gonna need. They had them all in stock, fortunately, so we're gonna go get them. Okay, we're back from O'Reilly's and we've got our parts, so let's go through what we got and then we'll go through what we're going to try to accomplish today as far as getting the motor started. Getting the motor started is like the big accomplishment and we're hoping we can get there today, but we'll see. So what do we get?
Got some valve cover gaskets. You're going to need these. We got a new cap.
Check.
Got a new rotor.
Check.
Some Permatex, because you never know when you're going to need it. Thermostat. Spark plugs. Fuel filter. Plug wires. Oil filter. And of course, oil.
Earl. So we now have some things on our list of stuff that we have to get done for the 81. Checked off. Now we are going to try to
get the engine to run.
Yeah.
This time for real.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. 90.
Try again.
Try again. 90.
Ready?
Yep. 90. 150.
Okay. So
Let me try this over on your side. Because I feel like they gave us the wrong plugs. No, they're not going in. It's the wrong plugs.
So we're currently at a stopping point as far as tuning things up goes. We had the wrong spark plugs, so we took those back. The ones that we need are not going to be here till Tuesday. So we're going to put a pause on that. We ordered a new fuel tank for the Mustang, so we are going to go ahead and drop the fuel tank because we're going to have to do that anyway. So let's get to that.
Put a jack under here to hold it up. Jack?
Jack?
It's tight. Can't really get this side off. It's really on there. Huh? Okay. Oh, it's so cold down here. Okay, come on off of there. You gotta come out of there. Okay. Well. Oh, is that on the jack?
Probably.
Haha. Oh. Sorry. Just blinding everybody. Perfect.
Purple. Blue. More colors.
It's weird. So weird. Why would you paint your gas tank?
Because why not?
And then this sucker's jammed in here. That's gotta come off. It's just it's stuck in there. Unless. Oh yeah. It's stuck in there. This one's new to me. Oh my goodness. Stuck. I wish you could smell the gas. It's bad. Like if it spills in here. I think I gotta unhook this rubber net. But alright. It's almost out. I got these lines too, but when it's down I can get to them. Look how crappy they are. Like they're dry rotted. Look at that. So what I'm trying to do is get the neck out. I can't. Oh, it's just stuck. Now it stinks. Whew. It's almost out. Like, can't be that much more.
It does stink.
It's, man, it's, oh, there's gas in there.
Uh-oh. A lot?
Probably up in here?
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, there's gas in there. I'm afraid it's gonna come out and splash on me and I'm gonna stink forever.
I'll still love you.
Oh. Okay, you can get on that side and I'll take it. I'll take the hit. Look, the straps are green.
I saw that. At first I thought it was like actually a strap.
Okay, but can you push yours down? So they glued the tank to the car?
That's what it looks like.
Oh God.
Because I can see where it's sticking right here. Here it comes. Hang on.
Oh,
There it goes, sorry. You okay?
I got it with my leg.
Oh God.
Oh.
One of the fun things about projects is what you find on it. This is all like two-sided tape that was stuck up there, which was what was holding the tank on and why it took so much to get it off. Now we're gonna unplug stuff.
Like I said, they're so dry rotted. I think we need to replace them.
Okay.
Ooh. Still flash. I'll keep the fittings. I'll just cut the lines, the metal lines, because who cares? That way we can use that. You just gotta get that out. It'll come out. Maybe. Okay. Okay. She's loose.
Gas tank is officially off.
And I know, I shouldn't have cut the lines, blah, 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 but I'm replacing the rubber lines, guys, so don't give me a hard time, because they needed to be replaced anyways. I wouldn't trust it.
When I went up to check on the spark plugs, Eric did a little bit of cleaning, and actually the dash looks even better than it did. So that's pretty exciting. I'm so excited about this. All right, and then you can see we got the cap back on. All the plugs are out. Wires are back on. Clean that up a little bit. That came quick to clean. Looks nice. I like it. So today we got the fuel tank dropped. We got the spark plugs out. Got the new wires on. New cap.
New rotor.
New rotor.
Still got to change the oil. We ordered a gas tank. Got that out.
Gas tank should be here Wednesday. Plugs should be here Tuesday.
Yeah.
So we're a couple of days off from that.
Let's see. Got the fuel filters off. I think that's about it. I mean, we can't really, I didn't want to start it without new plugs. So we went ahead and ordered new plugs. Like you said, they'll be here Tuesday. Then we'll continue on trying to get it to start so we can see where we're at. Like, I got different readings on the compression, which kind of concerns me, but I'm gonna do some research. So I don't know a lot about these motors, so.
Also, if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.
Yes, I mean,
it would be very helpful.
we do this as fun, and hopefully it motivates somebody else to do it.
This is not something I've ever done before, and the 5.0 for the Mustang is not something Eric has done before, so we'll see what happens.
See what happens.
So that's going to be it for today. Thank you to our new subscribers. Thank you to Donnie at O'Reilly's. He really did a fantastic job. If you live in the Festus, Crystal City area in Missouri, make sure that you go see him. He is awesome. If you haven't done it already, hit the little like button, and then you can subscribe.
As you should.
And you can even get the little notifications for every time we upload a video. So go ahead and do all that, and we will see you next time.